So you've blown it. You've had an affair. Now your marriage is at risk of being over. Apart from God, your marriage is over. But with God, restoration is possible. I've seen hundreds of marriages restored after an affair. It's not the end. It doesn't have to be. Your marriage is worth fighting for. And since you're the one that stepped out of the marriage, you're the one who needs to take the first step. Here's some ideas to help you do that. Number one, decide to end the affair and commit to your marriage. You have to make this decision. You got to claim it in your heart. You can't be wishy-washy about this. Decide today. Don't look back. I promise you'll be better off for it. An affair can never give you what you really want, and it always ends in heartache. You made a covenant with God to be committed to your marriage. In the affair, today, not tomorrow, not after dinner plans Friday night, not after the birthday or special holiday coming up. In the affair today. Call that person up today. Tell them it's over, and you mean it. That you don't want to see them again. You don't want to talk to them again. Tell them you're going to make your marriage work, and then you need them to get out of the way and let you do that. Confess to your spouse. Yeah, this is the hard one. But you can't heal and move on until you do this. Sit down and confess to your spouse what you've done. Don't have high expectations for this conversation. It's going to be heart-wrenching. It's going to be terrible. It's not going to be easy at all. But it's a necessary pain in the walk toward restoration. You can't restore your marriage if your spouse isn't aware of what you've done. Let your spouse respond in their own way. Don't argue with them. Try to put yourself in their shoes. Be as loving as you can. Have no further contact with a person that you had the affair with ever. If you work with them, get a new job. Block them on social media. Block their number from your phone. Block them from sending you emails. If you're going to rebuild your marriage, you can't have contact with the other person you had an affair with. Seek the help you need to rebuild your marriage. Seek a professional Christian counselor. Call one today. Set an appointment. Your spouse may not be ready to go with you at first. That's okay. Go yourself. Keep inviting your spouse to come with you in the future. Do the hard work of rebuilding your marriage through counseling, prayer, and seeking to understand your spouse and be a better spouse yourself. Work hard at rebuilding trust and establishing healthy new boundaries to affair-proof your marriage going forward. It's going to be a long road, but it's going to be so worth it. Last but certainly not least, help others. When you're on the other side of this and your marriage is healed, help other married couples. Help your friends have good marriages by supporting them. Help them not to make the same mistake you did. Help other couples who have walked away and walked down the same road. Commit to passing it on and watch God use the hardest thing in your life for His glory.